Hey everyone, it's Paola and I'm here to talk to you about my favorite Monet product, the Super Moisture Mask. Yes, what is it? It's a super rich moisturizing mask that helps your dull, dry hair, especially after a tropical vacay. How do I use it? Well, once I get into the shower, I use my Renew shampoo and I make sure I rinse it out completely. I eliminate the excess water, towel dry for a bit, and then grab a chunk of the moisture mask, massage it in my hair, and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, here's my tip. I make sure to grab the cap that I got in the Double Action Hydrating Serum, and that just makes it a home spa experience. I make sure to put it on and it helps the heat absorb and open up the hair cuticles. It's just some reassurance for me that all the ingredients are being absorbed by my hair. And here are just a couple ingredients worth mentioning. The apricot kernel oil, the sweet almond oil, and the macadamia nut oil. Just a few that I really love, and this is why this is my go-to product. See you next time. Bye!